Mike here with Z-Man Fishing and Take the Bait Guide Service. We're out doing some fall river fishing tonight. I want to talk to you a little bit about the new Z-Man Swim Z in the 3-inch. What a versatile bait this bait has been this evening. First time really throwing it. We've caught pike, walleye, smallmouth, the typical Elastec bait. You're going to be able to catch a lot of fish. We've been bumping a lot of rock, pulls through really nice. So this fall, I'm excited to throw this bait. If you're looking for a small swim bait, check out the new Z-Man Swim Z in the 3-inch. You're going to catch a lot of fish.